Let me just stand.
Take a minute.
Take a minute.
Take a minute.
Oh, take a minute. I said take a minute.
It's not a hint. It's
Take a
just-
minute.
It's for a trick.
Take a minute. Okay.
Thank you.
You got your mint.
Yours as well. Thank you. I'll let you eat them in a second.
Okay.
First comes the magic. Get this from her angle. This is pretty interesting. Mint. Give it at just the right angle. Isn't that insane? You can actually see. But what I really need you to do to really verify what's going on, can you take your fingers and just hold on just right there, like that? Perfect. And we'll turn it. Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you. I did go to
Grand
magician
model there.
assistant training. Thank you.
Very
Isn't that
good.
amazing? Hang on. You can feel when it happens.
There's your mints.
Tasty and magical.
Isn't that bizarre?